Hi, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go, and welcome to the Kotlin tutorial, the programming tutorial. So in this video, we will see how to create a singleton class in Kotlin programming. So what is singleton class? So a singleton class is a class which is having only one object instance. So every time if you try to create an object instance, we will get the same instance every time. So singleton class will have only one object instance. So first let's create a normal class, a simple normal class, and we will make that class as a singleton class in Kotlin. First let's create a class singleton class. We are naming a class name as singleton class, and we will create one member variable private var value, and we will initialize to 10. We will create a function for setting the value, and we will change the object's value to the past value, and we will have a function to print that value, print value. So inside this we will use println and we will print value. So in Kotlin, the typical way of creating a class will be like this. So suppose if you create an object of this class, every time we will get a new object instance. So in order to make this class as singleton class, we just need to replace this class keyword to object. So that's it, we have created a singleton class. Now by default there will be one object instance name singleton class will be created. Then we can access all these member variables using this name. Let's try to access these member variables and functions using this object instance. So singleton class is a object variable which will be created by default in this package, and we can access a public members set value, print value. So by default value has 10, and let's print it. So now we need to get an output as 10. See, we got the output. So here we didn't create any object of this object singleton class. By default there will be an object with the name singleton class, and we can access public members using this variable. And now we can set singleton class set value to some other number 20. Again try to print. Now again we need to get output as 20. See, first we got 10, then we got 20. So as this is an object instance, we will try to access this object variable and we will try to print a value. So every time we print a value, we need to get a latest value. Now we will try to access this singleton variable from other class and change its value, and we will print here. Then we need to get the latest changed value. Let's go to other file. Let's create a function change value, and here also we can access the single instance variable directly because by default it is created in this package, and we can set value. Let's set 50. Now from here we will call that method change value, and we are not passing this variable to this function. Then the value will be changed inside this function, and again we will try to print the value. Now we need to get a 50 here. So we got 10 first, after setting value we got 20, and after changing value from other class also we got the latest update. So everywhere we access this variable, then those values will be reflected in every place because this is a single instance which is used everywhere. So this is how we will make a class as singleton class. So here we can't create an object of this singleton class manually. By default there will be a single object. I hope you like this video and understood the singleton concept in Kotlin. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.